Hi, Calgary. I am in the studio of Alison King today. She is a new artist for Art Market, and I discovered her at the Calgary Stampede this summer. I walked by her booth and thought, lovely photographs, beautiful, and I kept walking. It wasn't until another artist actually stopped, pulled me back, and said, look at her work. And I said, it's lovely. And then they pushed me into the booth, and he said, look at her work. And Alison is, hello, Alison.
Hi.
Describe your work for me.
So I am a phototextile artist. I combine photographic imagery with textiles, all different kinds. I repurpose a lot of materials and combine those to create.
So it is not just a photograph. It is been sewn on. It has fabric. It has elements to it that you don't think. It pops from that flat surface into something, rich textures, colors. That's amazing. How did you get started? Where was this idea coming from?
So I studied both mediums in college. I went to the Ontario College of Art in Toronto. And so I started in photography, and then I did 4 years of textile exploration.
Well, it's certainly taken you to an amazing spot. I've never seen this before. And Calgary, I would like you to come down, try to walk by, and then walk up to the picture. It is amazing. You've got to see the wheat. Look for the wheat. That's what got me, was the wheat.
I better get some wheat there.
Yeah, exactly. Hours and hours of sewing wheat onto the picture. November 14th to 17th, Calgary, you need to see this. Bye. Incredible.
Thank you.
It has a whole different dimension.
Yeah, it gives a depth. The textile really does give a depth to the image.
Art Market Craft Sale, November 14th to 17th, Calgary Telus Convention Center. Be here.